Today's video is something I've been meaning to make for a while. This is my honest review of the Ninja Woodfire outdoor oven. If you are new here, welcome. I'm Ellie and I've been reviewing and cooking using portable pizza ovens since 2017, starting with the original Uni 3. I'll talk about what it does really well, where it falls short, who I genuinely think it's for, and whether I'd still buy it again today. So why did I buy the Ninja Woodfire? I wasn't looking for a traditional pizza oven replacement. I already cook a lot of pizza, and I already know my way around high heat. But what I wanted was consistency, ease of use, something that didn't need real flame management, something that could do more than just pizza, and a check on my curiosity about electric pizza oven performance. The Ninja Woodfire stood out for me as an oven to get because it promised a few things. Electric heat with temperature control, a dedicated pizza mode with a number of pizza type options, wood fire pellets for smoke flavour for smoking meats, and proper multifunction cooking outdoors. Let's talk pizza first. This oven cooks fantastic pizza in 90 seconds. I always thought electric outdoor ovens wouldn't cook as fast as gas or wood, but that's not the case here. Once it's preheated, you launch it, set your timer, rotate once if needed, and you're done. And for all the times that I've cooked pizza in this oven, I've not once needed to rotate the pizza. It gives a really good, consistent cook all around with no turning, and that's why I really love this oven. And what really impressed me is how consistent it is, pizza after pizza. Same colour, same base cook, same results every time. After each cook, the stone temperature only drops by about 20 Celsius, even in the middle of winter. And that means no long recovery time, no waiting time between pizzas, and no guessing if the oven is ready again. For multiple pizzas, especially for family or friends, that matters a lot. So who is this oven actually for? This is one of the Ninja Woodfire's biggest strengths. It's genuinely great for both beginners and experienced pizza cooks. For beginners, there's no flame management, no gas flame issues, no guesswork, and no panic when something looks wrong. You set the mode, you preheat it, launch, and then cook. All you need to do is wait for the oven to do it. And for more experienced cooks, you still get high heat, you get fast bakes, repeatable results, and you can focus on dough, toppings, and cooking lots more pizza. There is no flame to manage, and it doesn't overcomplicate things. It just works. So let's talk temperature next. The Ninja Woodfire reaches around 400 Celsius, which is roughly its maximum operating temperature. From cold, it takes about 25 minutes to heat up, and in between pizza cooks, it gets back to temperature after a pizza cook in about 5 to 7 minutes, depending on the weather outside. And that's fast, especially for an outdoor electric oven, and that includes cold winter cooking. This oven is really easy to use. The controls are simple to navigate, the presets are clear, so there's no learning curve. It will stay nice and clean if you are just cooking pizza in it. However, if you use the wood pellet smoker, that will create a dark smoke cover inside the oven. It has removable trays to help get to the hard to get areas, and I just wipe the interior down, especially after it has used the wood pellet function. However, as the wood pellets are located on the outside of the oven, there is no ash inside the oven, unlike traditional wood ovens. And because it can reach up to 400 Celsius, this oven can burn off a lot of the grease and debris that may accumulate inside of the oven after cooking. This is where the Ninja Woodfire really separates itself from my other ovens. It's fantastic for smoking meat, especially if you are new to smoking meat like I am. The Woodfire pellet system adds a real smoke flavour without the stress of managing a full smoker and without temperature swings. I've smoked lamb, pork and beef and even vegetables. And for beginners like me, this is such a handy option to have because you get electric controlled heat, predictable results, and a genuine smoky flavour. It's designed for outdoor use only. This is not an electric indoor oven. I personally use mine undercover in my little pizza kitchen booth, protected from rain and wind, but always outdoors with proper ventilation. It can heat to approximately a maximum temperature of 420 Celsius. That's the highest it's ever got to, actually 427 Celsius. With a preheat time of about 25 minutes, its pizza cook time is about 90 seconds. It's compact and solidly built and feels like a proper appliance, not a flimsy gadget. The negatives, let's be honest, an honest review does have negatives, and there is one. But it's not a big one. It's the fact that there's no window, and you know what I'm like with windows. But I'm going to make an exception on this oven, even though it doesn't have a window. It will cook my pizza in 90 seconds every single time. I just look at the timer and I just pull it out when it hits 90 seconds. And so I don't need to have a window because I know it'll be done. And it does it every single time I cook. It doesn't matter if it's windy outside, it doesn't matter if it's colder or warmer. I don't know how it does it. It just does. And so the fact that it's so consistent like that, it means I don't need to keep an eye on it and I don't need to have a window. So my final verdict, would I still buy it after 1 year? Yes, I would. I've never smoked meat joints before. Without this oven, I would never probably do it. And I've learned how to do it. Well, I'm kind of learning how to do it. And so I'm getting there slowly. Even for that, it's been an amazing oven. And then there's the pizza, which is just amazing to have. I use the word amazing a lot, but it is because it just is really good at cooking pizza. It's consistent, easy, reliable, beginner-friendly, and versatile. It cooks great pizza. It smokes meat beautifully. It heats fast, and it cooks pizza fast. And it's priced very competitively for what it offers. It's not trying to replace a traditional wood-fire or gas-fired oven. It's doing something different and doing it really exceptionally well. If you want stress-free outdoor cooking with great results, this oven absolutely earns its place as a 10 out of 10. I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoy watching my reviews. This year I will be reviewing every oven that I have that's still currently on the market. I will be doing a how-to on each of those ovens, and I will be doing a multiple pizza cook as well. Thank you for your support, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!